Good morning. We're from Group 13. Today we'll be doing a presentation for the parasite Capillaria. So the next slide, the journal that we'll be referring from is a local journal which is a case study of Capillaria hepatica infection in wild rats in Kelantan, Malaysia. Next slide. Firstly, in this case study, liver tissues from wild rats were observed for the presence of nematode eggs at the Regional Veterinary Laboratory, Kota Baru in 2014-2015. A total of 60 wild rats were used in this case study, and in the result findings, Capillaria hepatica, which causes hepatic capillariasis, were observed under H&E staining. The objective of this case study is to examine the common nematode of wild rats, Capillaria hepatica, in Kelantan, and it also to create awareness on concurrent parasitic infections.
For the result, a histological examination shows that there are masses of parasitic nematode eggs in the liver tissue of 2 out of 63 rats, and the eggs are later identified as Capillaria hepatica. And for histopathology examination, there are presence of intralesional parasitic eggs with granulomatous hepatitis. Other tests are also conducted to determine zoonotic infections caused by other bacteria and virus, and it is found that rats also harbor Salmonella enteritidis from the intestine, E. coli from the lung and liver, but none had leptospirosis by the PCR technique.
After staining and observation under the microscope, we will see a masses of Capillaria hepatica eggs. The histomorphology of these eggs are the outer eggshell is striated with shallow pola, prominences at either end, and numerous minipores can be seen. The egg measurement is approximately 48 to 66 micrometers times 28 to 36 micrometers. Next slide. These are the images of the eggs in the liver tissue by using microscope under the magnification of 200 times and 400 times.
Next, we'll look at the life cycle of Capillaria hepatica. The adults are ingested with lay eggs in the liver parenchyma, which forms the unembryonated eggs. And when the eggs are passed out to the environment, it will embryonate and becomes the infective stage of other hosts. So it is transmitted through ingestion of embryonated eggs, which will commonly contaminate food, water, or soil, and is transmitted through the ingestion of infected carcass by predators. Capillaria hepatica will cause hepatic capillariasis, where the eggs will form granuloma due to the chronic inflammation in the liver, and this will cause the fibrosis of liver protospaces with macrophages and myofibroblasts. Next, moving on to the epidemiological factor, the agent, which is Capillaria hepatica, is not host specific, which causes it to be zoonotic, and the large number of eggs in liver parenchyma is viable for many months in the liver. And the hosts are normally predators or scavengers that feed on infected carcass of rats, and cannibalism is present among rats, which leads to interspecies transmission. And the environment that's suitable for embryonation of eggs is present with air and moisture in the soil.
Okay, so for the conclusion, in short, because Capillaria hepatica is widespread among wild rats, we urgently need to study more. Wild rats, as we know, being natural hosts, we require a good understanding for the sake of both wildlife and potential human health. The complicated life cycle involving rodents and insects means we need to watch and control it carefully. By studying various infections in wild rats, we can figure out practical ways to protect both wildlife and people from the serious liver problem caused by Capillaria hepatica. This better understanding really helps us manage the disease well, keeping ecosystem healthy and making us better at handling the risk involved. So that's all from us. Thank you.